On Hawaii's Big Island, scientists warned that the erupting Kilauea volcano may be on the verge of a large explosion that could send boulders flying half a mile. A new crack opened in the ground today, releasing lava. There are now 16 active fissures.
This morning, that fountain of lava violently gushing from new cracks in the ground.
People are starting to panic right now.
17 fissures opening here on Hawaii's Big Island.
New developments in the unfolding volcano disaster in Hawaii.
That's right, new fissures opening up overnight, lava bubbling out of these two new cracks in the ground, and this is all playing out against the backdrop of growing concerns over a potential major new eruption of the Kilauea volcano, an eruption that could happen at any moment.
Volcanoes National Park, where that huge eruption is expected, is still closed indefinitely because that is where the greatest danger would be. But these smaller eruptions we keep seeing are bringing their own risks, and they show no sign of stopping.
That's the river. The river's moving down low.
It is so powerful, you can feel the vibration from this eruption.
Just like the unpredictability of the weather, the lava is even more unpredictable. We are preparing for the worst. We are preparing for mass evacuations.
This as the eastern part of this island braces for another kind of unnerving eruption. 20 miles away at the summit of Kilauea, geologists watching for a possible massive steam explosion that could send giant boulders rocketing out of this crater and ash billowing 20,000 feet into the air. That ash and smaller rocks potentially raining down for miles.
We all feel scared. Nobody ever seen it happen before, so it's the guessing game is like, are we safe?
high levels of sulfur dioxide, which is invisible but could be deadly if you breathe it. At smaller concentrations, it can burn the mouth, burn the nose. So it's something that residents really need to take caution for. The best thing to do is to heed the mandatory evacuation and to get out of the area. There are several community centers that are being set up outside the evacuation zone, and the best thing to do is to get to those places as soon as possible.
Exploding through the earth. This weekend, 3 new vents spewing lava up to 100 feet into the air like a fountain.
This is the first time in my life.
Hawaiian Volcano Observatory says an explosive eruption at the Halimo'umo'u crater is possible, one that could shoot rocks and debris the size of refrigerators into the air. New evacuations ordered as an 18th fissure opened up Sunday morning with steam and lava spatter activity on the Kalapana side of Highway 132.
And the first thing that I noticed was I heard what sounded like a jet turbine.
Fissure 16.
The 16th and 17th fissures erupting Saturday, about a mile from the Puna geothermal venture.
Come on, guys. You can stop telling me to be careful already. You got any relevant questions? I've heard that one. Enough. All right. There's more lava landing here, guys. I think I'm out. Yeah, at least I'm gonna take a breather. All right. Is there a pause button on here?